the same desire. Hearts are burning with the fire. At the border, let kindness grow, more than words could ever show. Hand in hand, we'll find our way to a better day. Every step tells where we've been. Every smile begins again. Hope is stronger than the longest night, leading us toward the light. No matter where our journey starts, we all carry beating hearts. Every dream deserves to fly beneath the open sky. Open every gate with grace. See the beauty in each face. Leave behind the fear and pride. Let compassion be our guide. When tomorrow calls our name, we'll remember we're the same. Peace will bloom where love is sown, making every place a home. At the border, we stand as one, underneath the same bright sun. Hope is stronger than the pain, like the gentle summer rain. At the border, voices rise, filled with dreams that touch the skies. Together we can build a world where love's flag is unfurled. Oh yeah, yeah. Rise up now. No change can hold me. Break out. Na 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 na. Oh yeah 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 yeah. Oh, I was walking through the valley in the pouring rain, carrying yesterday with a pocket full of pain. Then I heard a whisper blowing in the breeze. Lift your head up high and believe. The walls around me started falling down. Hope came alive without a sound. Every sunrise paints a brand new way. I'm stepping into brighter days. No more hiding, no more fear. The light inside is shining clear. Every heartbeat leads me on, a stronger soul where I belong. Break out. starts within your mind. Break out, sing a brand new song. Every heart can still grow strong. Love will guide us all the way to a brighter, better day. Every mountain has another side. Every river finds the ocean wide. Keep your faith like a burning flame. Tomorrow never stays the same. Hand in hand we'll stand as one. Together we are never done. Through the storm we'll find the light, turning every wrong to right. No chains, no walls, no fear today. Hope is leading every step we take, with kindness growing everywhere. We build a future bright and fair. Break out, let your spirit fly. Touch the stars across the sky. Leave the darkness far behind. Freedom starts within your mind. Break out, sing a brand new song. Every heart can still grow strong. Love will guide us all the way to a brighter, better day. Break out, keep the fire burning bright. Break out, walking into morning light. Break out, every dream can find its way. One love, one heart, a brighter day. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The roots and fire, heart and soul. Hear the drum beat calling. Here I come. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Roots and fire, heart and soul. Hear the drum beat calling. Here I come. I walk through the valley with dust on my feet, carrying a dream and a one-drop beat. They said the road was too rough and long, but every hard season made my spirit strong. I learned from the river, I learned from the rain. Nothing truly grows without weathering pain. Now the morning sun is calling my name. I'm stepping from the shadows with a brighter flame. Here I come like the rising sun. My journey has only just begun. Here I come, hear the freedom drum. No fear in my heart, I will overcome. Here I come with the truth on my tongue, singing one love for the old and young. Open the way, let the people know. Here I come and I'm ready to grow. To hold every little blessing that life sends through. Reminds me to be grateful, honest and true. No hatred can rule me, no lie can remain. Love is the shelter when we stand in the rain. Together we rise when the pressure is strong. Many different voices, but we sing one song. Here I come like the rising sun. My journey has only just begun. Here I come, hear the freedom drum. No fear in my heart, I will overcome. Here I come with the truth on my tongue, singing one love for the old and young. Open the way, let the people know. Here I come and I'm ready to grow. Step by step, day by day, Jah light keeps guiding my way. sky so fresh and blue. Every heartbeat found a song, telling me where I belong. With every laugh and every glance, life became a joyful dance. Like the sunshine on the sea, your warm spirit rescued me. Every moment, every track feels like a sweet love attack. Love attack, you lifted me high, like a rainbow in the sky. Love attack, so pure, so true. Every day feels fresh and new. Love attack, let the good vibes flow, planting seeds that always grow. Hand in hand we'll find our way, one love shining every day. Gentle breezes softly sway, carrying our dreams away. Every challenge fades from sight, wrapped in hope and morning light. Side by side we'll always stand, building peace across the land. Every rhythm, every beat makes this journey feel complete. When the clouds begin to rise, keep the faith before your eyes. Love is stronger than the rain, healing every trace of pain. Let the music fill the air, spreading kindness everywhere. Love attack, a joyful flame. Every day is not the same. Love attack, forever bright, guiding us with hopeful light. Love attack, our hearts agree, living life in harmony. With one love we'll always say, better days are on the way. Oh, feel the rhythm, yeah, 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 yeah. Feel the light. One love, one heart, one song. Together we are always strong. Hey, hey, hey. Everybody talking from the morning light, pointing fingers, saying who is wrong or right. Whispers in the alley, echoes on the street, but truth keeps walking on its humble feet. Promises are louder than the things they do, painting perfect pictures that are never true. I don't chase the noise that fills the air. Real love and honesty are always rare. Talk, talk, everybody wanna talk, but only a few will walk the walk. Talk, talk, let your Brother, lift your sister when the road gets steep. Plant the seeds of goodness that the world can keep. When the storms are raging, don't be led astray. Love will be the light that shows a better way. Every little blessing starts with what we give. Peace becomes the reason every soul can live. No more empty speeches in the pouring rain. Let compassion wash away the fear and pain. Speak with wisdom, speak with grace. See the hope in every face. Words can heal and words can break. Choose the path that love will make. Talk, talk, everybody wanna talk, but only a few will walk the walk. Talk, talk, let your actions shine. A faithful heart will stand the test of time. Talk, talk, let your spirit rise. Truth and love will never wear disguise. Talk, talk, let the whole world see love in action is the greatest victory. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Roots woman, God bless your soul. Yeah. She wanna da da da. She walks with the sunrise shining in her eyes, carrying hope beneath the endless skies. Every little smile is a healing song, teaching every heart where love belongs. She plants good seeds in the morning light, turning every struggle into something bright. With gentle hands and a fearless soul, she reminds the world that love makes us whole. Oh, roots woman, don't lose your way. Your light keeps rising every day. Stand so tall like the ancient tree, growing strong in harmony. Roots woman, queen of the earth and the morning sun. Whoa. Roots woman, your love keeps shining on everyone. Peace in your heart, hope in your smile. You're making this world brighter all the while. Every child hears the songs you sing, simple words with a joyful ring. You lift up dreams when the days are gray, showing kindness in your own sweet way. Like the rivers flow into the sea, you remind us all to live free. One love growing hand in hand, building tomorrow across the land. Let the drums beat slow tonight, fill the air with truth and light. Raise your voice, let the good vibes run. Together we shine beneath one sun. Roots woman, keeper of hope till the day is done. walking down the same old road, different stories, different loads. You see the clouds, I see the light. Maybe we can make it right. Every heart has felt the rain, every soul has known some pain. If we stop and take the time, we might hear the reason why. Step beside me for a while, leave behind the fear and pride. Open up your heart today, there's another side to see. See it my way, just for a moment. Feel what I've been feeling inside. See it my way, let's find tomorrow, walking together side by side. See it my way, we'll build a bridge now. Love is stronger than our pride. See it my way, hear my heartbeat. We'll find the sunshine after the tide. Every mountain has a view, every dream can still come true. When we listen, when we care, hope is always waiting there. We don't have to win the fight, we can choose a brighter light. Hand in hand we'll find a way, one more chance begins today. The wind keeps whispering through the trees, peace begins with harmony. One kind word can change the day, when we learn to see another way. See it my way, just for a moment. Feel what I've been feeling inside. See it my way, let's find tomorrow, walking together side by side. See it my way, we'll build a bridge now. Love is stronger than our pride. See it my way, hear my heartbeat. We'll find the sunshine after the tide. One word, one sky, one melody. Together we're stronger than we'll ever be. See it my way, and I'll see yours too. That's how love makes dreams come true. Oh, 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 na 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 na. Hey, hey. Oh, na 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 na. Oh yeah. Hey. Wake up to the golden morning light, feel the rhythm making everything right. Every little worry fades away, when the melody begins to play. Birds are singing with the breeze, dancing softly through the trees. Every heartbeat finds its groove to the songs that make us move. Lift your hands up to the sky, let your spirit learn to fly. Feel the joy from deep inside, with the music as your guide. There's sunshine in the music, lighting up my soul. Every beat, every melody makes my broken heart feel whole. Sunshine in the music, brighter than the day. When the rhythm starts to play, all my troubles fade away. Children laughing in the street, moving gently to the beat. Smiles are shining everywhere, love is floating through the air. Every voice becomes a song, bringing everyone along. No matter where we come from, music makes us all as one. Hear the guitar softly play, chasing every cloud away. Every note is filled with grace, bringing hope to every place. Sunshine in the music, lighting up my soul. Every beat, every melody makes my broken heart feel whole. There's sunshine in the music, brighter than the day. When the rhythm starts to play, all my troubles fade away. No, na 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 na. Da-da-da. Oh. Oh, da-da-da-da-da-da. No matter where the road may lead, love and music plant the seed. Hope will grow in every heart, that's where every journey starts. Through the highs and through the lows, music helps our spirits grow. Like the sunrise after rain, joy comes dancing back again. Yeah, there's sunshine in the music, shining all around. Every heart can feel the magic in this beautiful sound. Yeah, sunshine in the music, forever it will stay. As long as the songs keep playing, we'll always find our way. Sunshine in the music, oh, a melody so free. Every song becomes a blessing for the whole world to see. Whoa. Oh yeah, forward ever, backward never. Roots reggae music, the future is calling. No, na 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 na. Whoa. Morning light is breaking through, bringing every dream into view. Yesterday may leave its scars, but it cannot hide tomorrow's stars. Plant good seeds in everything, Give them time and watch them spring. Though the road is rough and long, faith and courage keep us strong. The future is calling my name. I'm walking through the fire, rising through the rain. The future is bright in my eyes. No wall can ever stop a dream. Determined to rise, one step forward, I'm finding my way. Building tomorrow with the choices of today. They told the youth to wait their turn, but there are bridges we must build and lessons we must learn. With knowledge in our minds and kindness in our hands, we can bring new hope across the troubled lands. No more division, no more fear. A better generation is already here. Different voices, one heartbeat. Together we can make the journey complete. The future is calling my name. I'm walking through the fire, rising through the rain. The future is bright in my eyes. No wall can ever stop a dream. Determined to rise, one step forward, I'm finding my way. Building tomorrow with the choices of today. Don't let your failures bury your dream. Life may be harder than it sometimes seems. Stand like a mountain, flow like a stream. Keep your heart honest and your purpose clean. Every small action, every good deed can become the answer somebody will need. Forward, never look down. Even when trouble comes around, hold your vision, guard your flame. The world will one day know your name. No giving up, no turning back. Hope is the compass that keeps us on track. The future is calling us all. Together we'll rise whenever we fall. The future begins right now, with love in our hearts and truth in our vows. One step forward, a brighter new day. We're building tomorrow, so lead the way. Oh, the future is calling. Can you hear it calling? Forward ever, backward never. A brighter tomorrow begins today. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah. Morning sun is rising high. Hope is painted in the sky. Every mountain, every climb makes tomorrow worth the time. They can doubt the dreams I hold, but they cannot steal my soul. Step by step I carry on. Every night becomes the dawn. Storms may shake the tallest tree, still the roots remember me. everything. Neighbors lifting one another, every sister, every brother. When the road is rough and long, we keep moving with our song. Every smile becomes a light, guiding us throughout the night. Lift your voice into the breeze, hope is dancing through the trees.